side to side. Bring your hands up and down. Again, don't forget to breathe through this movement. You can do it. This is a very beginner-friendly workout. Pwede mong gawin kahit saan, kahit kailan. Whew. Okay, now we're gonna go for your jog in place. Okay, simply comfortably swing your arms side to side and then jog in place. You can even bring your kid if you want. Let's go! Tara, tara. Jog, jog, jog. Jog, jog, jog. Okay, stay light on your feet. Try to go on a slight bend on your knees also. And then ikot-ikot lang. If you want, jogging ka din in place. Very good. Okay, next movement, we're gonna go for your pendulum swings. You're gonna swing your legs side to side. Keep your hands on your waist. 3, 2, 1, tara! Okay, again, napakasimple ng mga movements, but if you want to challenge yourself, you can go for a little bit of jump here, or if you want to go for this beginner-friendly movement, go ahead. You have your options, you have your challenges. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Next, we're going to go for your butt kicks. I want to simply bring your heels and close them to your butt. Okay? Bring your hands to your sides if you want. Bring your hands to your sides and then simply bring your heels close to your glutes as possible. Again, if you want to go on a little bit faster movement, pwede rin naman. You can go and jog a little bit while keeping your heels close to your glutes.
Wow, bawal dito, fan, kay mami.
Very good. Next movement, we're gonna go for your shuffle, okay? Step side to side. Bring your knees close to your chest or your waist. Okay?
Dito ka
Tara,
lang
let's
sit.
go.
Titingnan mo lang, mami.
Okay, step side to
Dito ka
side.
sit.
Shuffle.
Huwag dyan,
Kung meron
kasi
kang
may
mas
ano
malaking
dyan,
space,
kuryente.
go ahead. Sakupin mo yung buong space para may extra challenge. Pwede ka rin naman step-step lang and then simply bring your knees close to your chest as
Ano
possible.
lang, mami, exercise?
Doing good. Okay, next movement, we're gonna go for your in and out. Okay, bring